Welcome to Tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error crash and low-level fatal error issue on Little Nightmares 3 on PC.
Step 1. Close the game and open Steam. Right-click Little Nightmares 3, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Step 2. Update your graphics drivers, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, to the latest version. Step 3. Turn off all overlays like Discord overlay, Steam overlay, and the Force Experience overlay. Step 4. Go to Documents Me Games Little Nightmares 3, AVE config Windows Node Editor, delete the config folder. It will reset game settings. Step 5. Reinstall or update DirectX, Visual C, redistributables, and Net Framework. Step 6. Run the game as administrator and set compatibility to Windows 10 if on Windows 11. Step 7. Open game settings, disable ray tracing, and DLS restart the game.